Welcome. Today, we're going to go on a mission to become digital detectives. We're going to uncover the secrets behind some of the tech we use every single day. The web and email. It might all seem like magic, but trust me, by the end of this, you'll be the one cracking the codes. Okay, so take a look at this. You've probably typed something that looks just like this 1,000 times and never really thought twice about it. But what if I told you that's not just a random jumble of letters? Nope, it's actually a secret code, a set of instructions that tells your computer exactly where to go on the huge map of the internet. It's an address, and we're about to figure out how to read it. So here's our mission if you choose to accept it. We're going to crack this code, and we'll do it in 3 really simple steps, just piecing together the clues one by one. First, we'll look at the protocol. Then we'll check out the domain name, and finally, the extension. By the time we're done, you'll see exactly how it all fits together. Ready? Let's do this. All right, first up, the protocol. That's the HTTPS part you see right at the beginning. The easiest way to think about this is like a secret handshake between your computer and the website it wants to visit. It sets the rules for their conversation and, most importantly, makes sure that everything they share stays secure and private. It's kind of like they're agreeing to speak the same secret language so nobody else can eavesdrop. Okay, next clue, the domain name. In our example, that's the word busy. This is the website's one-of-a-kind name, its specific address on the internet. So just imagine the internet is this giant city with millions and millions of buildings. The domain name is like the nameplate right on the front of one of those buildings, making it super easy to find the exact place you're looking for. And that brings us to the final piece of our code, the extension. You can see things like .school or .uk. These little letters tell you what kind of place you're visiting. So .school lets us know it's a school. You've definitely seen .com for companies or maybe .gov for government sites. And that .uk part, that even tells us what country it's in. It's basically the sign on the building telling you what's inside. So, let's put it all together, shall we? You've got the protocol, HTTPS, which is the secure language, then the domain, BIS, that's the unique name, and finally, the extension, .sch.uk, which tells us it's a school over in the United Kingdom. See? It's not just a mess of characters at all. It's a really specific set of directions that guides your computer across the entire world in like a split second. You've just decoded a URL. Now, what's really cool is that this whole address system for websites, well, it helped pave the way for something else we all use constantly. Email, right? Email, or electronic mail, it actually uses a very similar kind of addressing system, but instead of taking you to a public website, it sends a private digital message right into a person's digital mailbox. It's such a simple idea, but it lets us send messages, photos, you name it, almost instantly to basically anyone, anywhere on the entire planet. It really connected the whole world. But like any powerful tool, email has 2 sides to it. The advantages are pretty amazing. The speed is just incredible. A message can get halfway around the world in seconds, and it costs practically nothing to send. But then there are the pitfalls. We have to be smart about security risks, and of course, all that annoying junk mail we call spam. And this brings us to a really, really crucial point for any digital detective. Knowing how to use this tool wisely and, more importantly, how to protect yourself. This is especially true when you're on a shared computer, like the ones at school or in a library. So, you've finished your work. What's the one most important thing you have to do? This, right here. This is the #1 grade A power user tip that every single digital detective has to know and must never, ever forget. Always sign out. It seems so small, so simple, but I'm telling you, this little action is incredibly powerful. So why is this tiny click such a power move? Well, for one, signing out keeps your private messages exactly that, private. It literally puts up a wall so the next person who uses that computer can't just stumble into your inbox. And this is huge. It stops anyone from sending messages pretending to be you. It's how you stay in control and keep your digital identity safe and sound. And there you have it. You've done it. You cracked the code of web addresses. You learned the essential safety rules for email. You are officially a digital detective. So my final question for you is this. Now that you know what to look for, what other digital codes and secret languages can you spot in the technology you're using every single day? Keep those detective eyes open, keep exploring.